In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts, select Add Contact and tap on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you're ready, you need to tap on Reorder at the top right corner to establish a perfect order of your contacts, and save it by hitting Save at the top right corner as well. To remove one of your contacts, click this X next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!